Welcome to Sage e-Learning with Sage 50. Sales. Quotation sometimes represent the start of your sales cycle. Based on a quotation document, you can record it as a sales order and send a delivery order when needed. Sales return is required when you allow your customers to return stocks that have been earlier sold. Let us begin. In this video, you will learn how to create a quotation for your customer to recording sales order, issuing of delivery order and a sales return. Managing quotations. At the Sales menu, select Quotation, click on New. Select the customer you wish to send the quotation to. Multiple sets of numbering are available. In this example, it is set to auto-numbered to one set. The default quotation expiry is set to 1 day after. However, in this case, we change the quotation to expire to November the 15. Then, select the required item to quote, and the price and tax code will be auto-populated. Change the quantity when necessary. Switch to Advance option, to enter additional comments for the line items. You can apply the relevant analytical code for quotation analysis. Create your custom messages at the Message tab for header and footer, or copy from Message Maintenance. Set and maintain the multiple delivery addresses if you wish. Once this is completed, click the Save button. The first message asks for confirmation of the new quotation expiry date. Click Yes to accept. Your next message shows that the quotation has been successfully saved. Click Continue to remain on the screen. Let's approve this quotation. You may print your quotation now. Should there be any changes to the quotation, you can select the document and double-click on it. Choose the respective agent code, assign the relevant credit terms or even type over the changed price, then click on Save. A first message will be prompted to accept the confirmation of the expiry date. It will prompt to save again if you have printed the quotation before. The next message is for you to accept the new changes as the new version, making the previous version inactive, in the quotation listing screen. Recording sales orders. From the Sales menu, select Sales Order and click New. Choose your customer, and if there are previous quotations issued to this customer, click on Select Quotation tab to copy. The quotation details will be populated to the entry screen, including delivery address, custom messages and analytical codes. You can assign relevant project code to this sales order also. Use the multi-currency option, to choose the other currency, if it differs from the earlier quotation. If there are no more changes, click on the Save button. You may print the sales order now. Create your own printout format here. Delivery order. From the Sales menu, select Delivery Order, and click New. Choose your customer. There are a few ways to create a delivery order. You can select from a sales return, sales order or a sales invoice. Let's select the sales order that we have just created. The relevant details of that order will be displayed. Set your delivery mode. You can assign relevant project code to this delivery order. Click the Save button, accept to continue, and you will be able to print the delivery note now. There are a few report formats that you can select from. Sales return. From Sales menu, select Sales Return, and click New. Choose your customer. There are a few ways to create a sales return. You can select from delivery order or sales invoice. In this case, we select the delivery order that we have just created. Expand the DO line items, set the quantity to return as 10, and click Select. Enter the reason code, for the purpose of the return. Click the Save button, accept to continue, and you will be able to print the sales return now. There are a few report formats that you can select from. There are two interesting functions here, quantity to refund, and quantity to replace. Quantity to refund will be available when you select return items from a delivery order. If you select to return items from a sales invoice, you can enter quantity to refund, as well as the quantity to replace. Good. Now, you have learned all the steps to create your own quotation, converting to sales orders, issue delivery order and build a sales return when you need it. So easy. For more learning videos, please go to www.sage.my. Have a great day.